there is a theme that many of you may have heard, or maybe you haven't, but digital technology has advanced more in the last 10 years than in the prior 50 years before that. And I think this is a very powerful statement, a very, very powerful statement. We are well aware of all of the things that have taken place in the last 10 years regarding, our smartphones and apps and living inside these apps every day. But the question that I ask all of you that have made it here today is, have your internal systems kept up with that? What have you done in the last 5, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years in some cases that has allowed you to keep a competitive advantage as a process manufacturer or a chemical paint coating manufacturer? Let's talk about this because a lot has changed. First of all, what do these types of companies care about? And what should their internal systems be able to help them with? Number one, quality. We realize how important and integral quality is to chemical paint coating manufacturers, and as I mentioned, really any process manufacturers. So we'll talk about how the solution we'll look at today will adhere to that and allow all of you to adhere to that. Safety and compliance goes hand in hand in that. We realize if you're dealing with chemicals, say, safety of your employees as well as safety of your customers is top of mind, along with the compliance. Do your internal systems allow you to comply with all of the rules and regulations out there of these industries, or is it perhaps a very paper-based manual workaround to do this? Formulation. If you are dealing in chemicals, paints, coatings, or even, say, nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, you're likely dealing with formulas. This is another challenge that can be difficult if your internal systems do not allow you an easy way, a modern way to manage those formulas. I won't take you through every single bullet because we have a lot to talk about today. I think a lot of these things may or may not be obvious. Inventory management, risk management, product innovation. This is what this industry is chasing